This video is going to be interesting because in this video we will deep dive into the proven way of starting a clothing business using artificial intelligence tool that I will be revealing in the video later. I will show you how to find the best winning design with minimal competition. I will also guide you on how to analyze the data based on the numbers to choose the best product that will bring thousands of sales. It's all going to be done using AI. We will create high quality design and I will show you the effective ways to optimize your design to sell more, especially if you're on a tight budget. You have seen many videos on YouTube like this, but I can confidently tell you that this one will show you the best ways to kickstart your digital career without spending a penny from your pocket. Because I understand not all of you can afford to invest money. The video is packed with valuable information, so I want you to take it seriously and start taking action right away. First thing first, identifying the right designs and niche sets your product apart from the competition. It helps you stand out in a crowded market, making your offering unique and attractive to potential customers. Researching and selecting design and a niche with high demand ensures there is a market for your product. This minimizes the risk of investing time and resources into a product that won't sell well. Opting for designs and a niche with limited demand can result in sluggish sales. If there is not enough interest in your product, you will struggle to generate revenue and achieve your business goals. So, stay in touch with me. I will reveal the best way to find a potential product that will bring sales for you. However, I'm not saying that I'm a master in finding the best product, but I will show you how I do it. For product research, we use a tool. It could be any, but in this video, I will tell you about a free tool that has all the essential tools to analyze your product. However, feel free to opt for any tool that you like, but I'll be using Merch Informer. It is a versatile tool for sellers, aiding them in print-on-demand businesses. It assists in trend discovery, offering insights into popular designs and estimated sales. You can optimize listing through keyword research and analyze competitors for informed decision. Niche research helps identify profitable market, and a trademark checker prevents legal issues. It's a comprehensive resource for design-based products. This tool offers bunches of tools that can be utilized for different purposes, but we'll be exploring two of them that are important in finding winning products. The first tool that we are gonna use is the movers and shakers tool. Basically, this tool helps us to check the BSR, which stands for bestseller rank. It explains the BSR is going down, and if the product's BSR is low, that means the product is currently trending or will go viral in the future. As you can see here, this product's trend is going down, which means it's a good design. Keep scrolling and watching for designs and select the one you like. But just be careful about one thing, which is avoiding design from trademark companies like Apple, Disney, for example. Another tool which I found handy is Trend Checker. This tool helps you to find the products that are currently trending or have consistent sales by watching the graph like this one. It looks consistent in sales. Please spend enough time to find the best design because it is what will decide how much you will earn. I won't be able to go through all of these tools because the video will go too long. But if you are just starting off as a beginner, these two tools I have shown you are enough to get your first sale. Once you have chosen the designs you like, you can move on to the most essential step, which is analyzing the product that you have chosen. Because understanding market demand, analyzing a product helps you gauge its demand in the market. By examining sales trend, search volume, and customer reviews, you can determine whether there is a viable market for the product. Let's use this product as an example, which comes in the sport niche. And we can say that our potential buyers are hockey lovers. The first thing we need to do is make sure we can use this phrase in our design. To do that, just take the main words and put them into the trademark alerts tool. Paste the text there, click save, and then click on check trademarks. Wait a bit, and if everything is okay, you will see a green check mark. This means you can use this phrase in your design without any issues. Next, you should check out your competition. You can do this using the competition checker tool. Put your keywords in the box and click search. This will show you how many products are similar to yours and how well they are selling. On the right side, you will see a score like A, B, C, etc. A is the best, and if you see an F, it's not a good sign and you should find a different design. Scrolling down, you will find the best selling products. One might have 23 estimated sales and another could have 15. Both are good. So I think this product could be a good choice to start with. But remember, the goal is not to copy others. This strategy is just for getting ideas and information. Once you are done with each design, you can move on to the fun part, creating the actual design using Leonardo AI tool. It functions as an AI tool that transforms text into images. You can input any text and the AI bot will create an image based on it. The most amazing thing is that you can use these images commercially for free without subscribing to their paid packages. Before you begin crafting your design using Leonardo AI, it's essential to grasp your design elements. This understanding will assist you in selecting the appropriate words when entering your prompt. Let's take my product as an example. In this case, the central elements of the design are hockey. With a clear concept in mind, you can open Leonardo AI to initiate the design generation process. Simply start typing your prompt. Describe the design you wish to create. Examining the prompt I created, you will notice I incorporated the main keywords of the design and added supplementary ones like cartoon style and white background. The inclusion of white background aids in later extracting the design from its background. The resulting image reflects the steps described. Subsequently, I save the design and progress to the next phase. Enhancing quality. Elevating the design quality is pivotal for delivering professional looking products, ultimately minimizing issues and unfavorable reviews. Let me demonstrate how simple this can be using an AI image upscaler. This tool takes the image you created and makes it bigger by up to 800% without losing its quality. First, click on upscale image, then pick the image you want to make better. Once the image is done loading, you will see three choices. If you choose the first one, the image will get twice as big. The second option makes it 4 times bigger and the third makes it 8 times bigger. I usually pick the second option, which is good enough for a t-shirt design. After it's done, you will notice a big improvement in the image quality. If you zoom in and compare, you will see a huge difference. Finally, just click download to save the enhanced image. Let's try a different approach so you can understand the idea better. In this example, imagine you have an old-fashioned car like the ones you see in classic movies. So when you are creating its design, you want it to look just as old and stylish. I used all the important words in the instruction and this is what the design ended up look like. Here is the prompt that you can use to generate such design. After your design is done, go to the Image AI upscaler to make it look even better. Then click download to save the improved image. Now you are almost done. The only thing left is to add final touches to the design and get it ready for printing. Start by taking away the background from the picture you made. Next, put in the words or phrase you want on the design. If you are not sure what to write, you can look at what other people are doing and get ideas from them. Then use your own creativity to make something special. When you're starting with this little business, focus on a specific area or on design that are really popular at the moment. That way you can do a great job and stand out from the rest. You might have been wondering how to sell your products. Well, many people wonder. There are bunches of ways to sell your product using Meta ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, or many others. But especially if you are starting with a small budget, well, here is a great idea. Try something called print on demand. This way you won't have to worry about making the products yourself or sending them to customers. Other companies will do that part for you. But keep in mind, these companies will take a bit of the money you make, so your profit might not be huge. Still, it's a good way to start. On the screen, I will show you some websites I really like. You can use this website to list and sell your print-on-demand products. They all work in a similar way. You upload your design, choose what you want to sell, like t-shirts or phone cases, give some details, and then put it up for people to buy. And the good thing is, lots of people visit these websites, so you can get customers without needing to find them yourself. You can make your products even more successful by using social media. Post about your stuff on places like Pinterest and TikTok to get the word out. Here are some extra tips to make your design even better. Number 1. Use your design on different things, not just one. So if you have a cool picture, put it on shirts, stickers, phone cases, and more. Make more than one version of your design. Sometimes you can take a piece of your design and make a new one from it. Number 3. Put your design on a lots of websites, not just one. This can help you sell more and figure out which place is best for you. Think of it like planting a seed in a garden. When you start, it's just a small seed in the ground. But over the time, with care and sunlight, it grows into a big, beautiful plant. So whatever you are beginning might seem small at first, but as you put effort into it, it will grow and improve, just like that plant in the garden. That's like the experience you will gain along the way. If you have questions, just ask in the comments and let's chat about what you have on your mind, and I would like to help you. Thanks for watching, and there is more good stuff coming soon.